Macaroni and cheese is a beloved dish. It's creamy and cheesy. This recipe is easy to follow. You will love the cheesy flavor. This recipe is perfect for beginners. You can impress your family. Let's get started. You will need these ingredients. Use sharp cheddar cheese for best flavor. 1 pound elbow macaroni, half a cup butter, half a cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups milk, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 4 cups shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Gather your ingredients. Have a large pot ready. You will cook the pasta in the pot. Cook the macaroni according to package directions. Drain the pasta.